इसको मेरा स्लोगन आपने लगाया, बस करो
Great
यार।
bills, great money. What is this? 1 2 3 4 infra bill की जय जयकार। 1 2 3 4 Freezing leaks. Pay to get drowned.
आज दिन है सनी सनी पे मनी मनी मनी।
ट्रांसपेरेंसी क्या हुआ? हम अगर गलत कर रहे हैं आपको बता रहे हैं क्या लिख रहे हैं? हम ट्रांसपेरेंट।
आज दिन है सनी सनी पे मनी मनी।
आज दिन है सनी सनी
पे
मनी मनी। We are not a bad infrastructure. I think this is too good here. We are human beings.
संगीता गोवा।
You wrote this?
No, I have not written anything.
Oh,
Sangeeta.
she thinks she's a human being in the eyes of I'll make a good video of this. साले को बदनाम कर देंगे हम। We are not ATM. अरे यहाँ को तो ATM में पैसा ही नहीं आता यार। वो देखा उधर? वो किधर है वो? अमुनारा वाले इतने पैसे ले जाते हैं कि ATM में ही नहीं बचता है।
इन लोगों को देने के लिए।
Okay, the morcha starts from here. Where do we start shouting at the front of the office?
What is the logic with that? That is US.
Whereas it has been promised that it will be after well coordination this will happen. This is not happening, so we have.
Then we need to give them a time frame within which they should come back for that.
So that they need to. They have.
It's
We
been 8
wanted as
months
of now.
already.
We wanted as of yesterday.
One thing, that transparency they have been talking about. That's what we talk now. Yes. Transparency is very good. If I do something wrong, I tell you I do wrong. It's transparency. But why I'm doing wrong? When they talk about the numbers, how they have the cost competitiveness,
So whatever numbers
whether
they
they
have
have invited the competitive courts, when they are awarding the work, is they are presented to us. So it should not be just mere transparency. Appreciate transparency.
So whenever
but we have to go one step behind the transparency.
First thing is transparency. As soon as transparency comes, then the second step, third step starts. That whether this data, whatever they are presenting, is right or wrong.
Yes, the accuracy.
Okay, but first of all, even wrong data they are not sharing. And whatever queries has been raised by them, they accepted that yes, this is a fault. This is a wrong allocation being done.
And then the corrective measures.
No corrective measures they have taken.
That's the
So
immediate
that is
stuff.
What I was suggesting is, एक दो लोग ही you should nominate to speak.
They have already decided that.
Okay.
Those who have been interacting with the
And the
management.
rest have to just
Just
agree
listen.
Yeah. You are a friend of Angana, right? You are a friend of Angana politics.
Oh yeah.
Calcutta. In Calcutta, it's like even the pillion has to wear a helmet.
Yes.
It's that compulsory.
No, we have a law here.
Yeah.
But the
But
law is
people
not
don't-
implemented in Pune city.
I mean, previously at least it was getting implemented in the camp areas.
Yes. साला हल्ला कर दो दे बजाओ, तुम्हारा घंटी है, मोर्चा चल रहा है, बोलो बोलो हेडक्वार्टर को, सीढ़ी पे जाओ, क्या साला ड्यूटी कर रहा है?
बैंगलोर से कब लौटा?
वो होनोलुलु में है, आपके पैसे पे होनोलुलु पे है वो।
बंद करो मनमानी बंद करो
बेईमानी बंद करो, बेईमानी बंद करो, बेईमानी बंद करो।
There is some percentage.
बच्चे भी हैं लेडीज के साथ.
नेक्स्ट वन कौन सा अगले बार? Wow, girls bills only kills. Great bills.
Great bills. Only
Now we are heading to the sales office.
Understand the kind of autocracy they are dealing into, the kind of, they're talking about transparency, they are admitting their fault, but not taking the corrective measures, not improving the system process by which all of us are victims. So it's not just mere giving a piece of paper. Piece of paper and word is the expression what we feel. When we have come here physically here, that is the true, our feeling is coming out here. And we understand that it should be heard by the top management of this company.
But we have
and they
informed
should.
he is out of station. We have sent him yesterday.
आपके साथ तो बहुत बात हो चुका है हम ये
But we have informed him yesterday itself that he is out of.
No, they are not willing to meet us.
Will not help.
They will always be abroad.
If APD is not in station, does that mean Amnora doesn't function? Does that mean nobody else takes
Shall we
decisions?
stop
Then
paying
call
the
the
checks?
person.
That is your
Call the person who takes decisions.
Okay, we'll call JK. We will.
Please go ahead. Please go ahead. Please go ahead and do that.
We cannot stop paying the check. Top boss is not
जो
here.
डिसीजन ले पाएगा हम उनसे ही बात करेंगे, हम और किसी से बात नहीं करेंगे।
डिसीजन तो दे दिया।
क्या दे दिया? क्या दे
उसके
दिया?
तो-
क्या दे
उसके
दिया?
तो
क्या दे दिया?
है।
क्या समझ में आता है?
हाँ, कुछ भी कहो तो हम मान लेंगे।
अरे मैं कहाँ बोल रहा हूँ कि मान लो आप।
तो फिर बोल के वो लोग बोल रहे हैं।
आपका स्टेटमेंट है कि डिसीजन दे दिया गया है।
What do you mean?
I mean, this is the true, the face.
You have taken a decision. We also have taken a
Gentlemen,
decision.
listen him. He is telling decision दे दिया गया है. We are standing full here. We are standing full here.
मुर्दाबाद 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 मुर्दाबाद
हमने बोल दिए. आपने बोला डिसीजन दे दिया गया.
ले लिया गया।
बहुत बोला. आपका कुछ क्षमता नहीं है.
सबके सामने बोलो चलो। मार्केटिंग ऑफिस के सामने जाके बोलो चलो।
क्या क्या
चलो go and call the somebody who is senior. We don't want to
तो
talk
he
to
is
you.
coming ना।
And he is coming. So you
तो we are
please
waiting for him
We are
only।
waiting. We are also waiting.
We are the last people to run away. I don't I do not. You know me?
I know you as an arrogant person.
No.
Who never even bothers to talk to
I
somebody.
also know you are.
How dare you talk to me
You are
like
also
that?
talking to me like that.
You one minute.
You said that you are arrogant. What arrogancy I have done?
Whenever we want to talk to you, you don't have time.
I am always available.
No, management has no time. Owners of have got no time.
Come to the point. Let us come to the point. You are suggesting that can we take over? We are capable to take over.
No. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute.
No problem.
At this juncture, if you talk about questions, will come on us.
We actually have
we
to
say-
take time frame.
We have our own terms and conditions.
Terms to be decided under the charter.
All corruption here.
There is a break even at the point.
No, we demand transparency. That's
Black money, corrupt money. Chor. Oh, gentlemen, please silence.
Okay.
Silence.
Quiet.
आप जो कह रहे हो कि आपने
नहीं ट्रांसपेरेंसी नहीं है तो आप बताइए ना क्या ट्रांसपेरेंसी नहीं
नहीं सर, आपसे तो बात हो गई है. आप अभी चुप बैठिए.
सर दे वांट टू लिसन टू यू आप बताइए सर
Did you get yesterday you sent some email
we have
which
received.
tells fact what it is. Now if you have something this thing, it's a democracy. You have expressed your feeling that you are accepting. You have brought something to show it to Mr. Deshpande. Have you brought anything? Yes. So we take it if you want to. We have got our protest by way of signature of. Very well. We'll receive whatever document. You are our citizens. Whatever you have brought.
Over and above, I am telling you, Bhosle sir, you see, you can run this society economically also. It has been not run economically. I will tell you the reasons. The reason number one is, for example, आप भी हमारा आर्टो सेक्टर में रहते हैं. आर्टो सेक्टर में कितना वर्क होता है?
हाँ, exactly. अभी भी चल रहा है और money doesn't end.
Let me put all the points. Let me put all the points.
Yeah, sure.
नहीं sir, सुनिए, completely सुनिए. Why people are annoyed? because you should understand. These many people are not annoyed only because for the sake of annoying. We are all educated people. We have come here to express our views. You see, खुदाई कितना बार होता है और आप देखो गार्डन में कितना बार आप अननेसेसरली झाड़ लगाते हैं, झाड़ निकलते हैं। और दूसरा, आपने अक्खा सोसाइटी में सब जगह एलईडी लगा सकते हैं। वी हैव गिवन दिस प्रपोजल, यू डिड नॉट डू दैट एंड यू सेड हम हाफ बैलेस्ट लगाएंगे, फुल बैलेस्ट लगाएंगे, कुछ भी नहीं लग गया। The whole of your this thing, what is called, जो basement है, basement is completely full of lights and sometimes they keep light up to 9 o'clock. We have given a complaint to your people. So if you run like this, who is paying for that? We are paying for that. Why we should pay for your inefficiencies? You have to reduce your inefficiency, do the cost cutting, and you can run in 1.5 rupees also. Do you agree to all?
Yes. We are not convinced with 2 rupees even.
Your point that economy should be done is well taken. It's well taken. For example, your first I said your point of economy should be there is well taken.
पहले तब तक रोल बैक करो, ये जो भी इंक्रीज किया आपने रोल बैक करो।
सुनो तो सही। दूसरा, जो पेमेंट का काम चलता है, they are not being charged to you. So it is wrong. It means from your point of view. If you are laughing, I'll just stop this thing. If you, what is ridiculous? It's a laughing matter.
Of course it is.
What is?
Every day I have to face it.
You know,
Every day I have to face it.
I don't want to listen. I just give that.
तोड़ देंगे. They don't need to talk to us.
I'm suffering every day
You are
because of
what
it.
There is hundred of people left their job and stuff, and they are here.
I am giving full proper listening. Yes, Delhi has the audacity to laugh at it. I don't want her in my. I can also see. Oh, क्या बात करते हैं? Please. You need to. I'm just mentioning this thing. Please continue. Your point of economy I have taken into point this thing. And whole world doesn't work and the first shot everything the best of this thing. We are as a country we work and we kind of resources, we have kind of people, we have kind of attitude. So आपके घर में भी कभी कभी ऐसा नहीं होता तो कैसा इसमें होगा? तो we I still again take your point that light efforts are being made, the lights are get off in the night. हमने जो इसमें मॉल में किया है वो सिस्टम इधर भी चालू किया है. So there could be differences of opinion कि ये ज़्यादा करना चाहिए, कम करना चाहिए. So that we will take care and that your point is well taken. That there should be no waste of resources. It is costing you, not costing you, but that there should not be any waste of resources. So that we should be doing. But it takes time to get all kind of this thing, and we'll get to that also. Please let him complete. These are one by one point you are saying, no? Yeah. On LED there are difference of opinions. We also have certain, our electrical people also have some argument. This will go on and you set up at certain thing and you come to the conclusion, yes, LED is better or LED is not better. So that process is on. LED people have used, there is a capital cost ज़्यादा रहती है थोड़ी सी. People transit to that level, transit to that efficiency slowly, not on the first day. And this is we are going to operate this for 100 years, 990 years theoretically. So there is a learning curve which we go and we do it. The point of reducing the cost is well taken. And that is a reason, that is one of the reasons. We are taking actually theoretically if you say that to recover the cost etc. we could have charged 275, we could have started with 2.7. We are not doing that. But
sir, even the 2 rupees is not even justified.
No. Now we have a difference of opinion. Now we have a difference of opinion. Now we have a difference of opinion.
One more point. Let's bridge that difference and then increase. What you are doing is you are increasing and then you are saying हम कर रहे हैं, हम देखेंगे inefficiencies.
No, not that. I mean, we
want to be rational because we want to stay here.
See, what is going to happen over a period? realistically what is going to happen? If you don't agree, then we'll tell you, you maintain your this thing. This is one solution. No. I'm not saying options.
Can I say
Options.
Sir, can I say
Options. Listen, and then I Trump card chal raha. Then there is a issue of outside mental. There also government has a policy till the local body is formed, till the local body of this unit is formed, township will maintain. So we have to do it efficiently and unefficiently. We should do efficiently. That is also important. That is forgone. This thing. Why are we have so many qualified people otherwise? We have to do that efficiently. So to the extent possible, we will do that to improve with our learning curve. Now, if you want to say the first learning curve should be very fast,
fine.
We can have a difference of opinion.
These are all.
Can I say?
प्लीज सर, देखिए जो हम अभी ये सब चीज़ पे डिस्कस नहीं कर रहे हैं क्या है क्या नहीं है, जो अपने ने इतना दिन से डिस्कशन आज 8 महीने से जो कर रहे थे, सबसे पहले जब अपनी मीटिंग हुई थी तो हम लोगों ने आपसे एक सिंपल क्वेश्चन पूछा था कि अगर आपने डिसाइड कर लिया है कि 2 रुपये 45 पैसा इम्प्लीमेंट करेंगे तो ये मीटिंग करके कोई फायदा नहीं है। आपने वेमेंटली उसमें कहा था नहीं,
वे लिसन करेंगे।
नहीं,
डिसाइडेड, वी एक्सेप्टेड ये सम ऑफ योर।
मेरी बात सुनिए। तो आपने ये कहा था कि नहीं हम इसीलिए बैठ रहे हैं कि इसको हम पूरा डिस्कशन करके कंक्लूड करेंगे, ठीक है ना। आपने ने 15 अप्रैल का डेट भी निकाला था। लास्ट 27 मार्च को जो मीटिंग हुई थी, थोड़ी देर के लिए आए थे मलिंदा साहब फुल टाइम थे उस समय ये हुआ था कि आपकी फाइनेंस कमेटी जो है 29 तारीख, पहले उनको असुविधा थी देने में, फिर मजुमदार साहब ने उनको कन्विंस किया तो उन्होंने कहा कि 29 तारीख के अंदर में हम आपको सब डेटा दे देंगे, जिससे हम 5 अप्रैल को बैठ के, जिससे 15 अप्रैल का जो डेडलाइन था उसको हम फाइनल करेंगे। लेकिन अनफॉर्चुनेटली वो डेटा 7 अप्रैल को जब हमने आपको रिमाइंडर दिया उसके 2 घंटे के अंदर में आपने वो डेटा दिया। इसके बाद वो मीटिंग कोई हुई नहीं, जो कि एक कंक्लूजन मीटिंग तो करना चाहिए था ना। अच्छा, आप एग्री कर रहे हैं, आपने जो मेजर 2 पॉइंट्स कहे हैं उस पर आपने एग्री हमें नहीं सर, हम प्रोसेस की बात कर रहे हैं। हम आपको बार बार कह रहे हैं कि वो 2 हो चाहे 4 हो चाहे 1 हो, लेट्स गो बाय द प्रोसेस। वो प्रोसेस कंप्लीट करके 2013 का हो गया, 2014 का भी अब रेडी हो गया, मतलब रेडी हो गया इन द सेंस कि बुकिंग जो होना था वो हो गया है। आप एक अनऑडिटेड के प्रोविजनल बैलेंस शीट आप सेक्टर वाइज 2014 का भी निकाल सकते हैं, तब हमको सही मालूम पड़ेगा कि एक तो हमारा कॉस्ट क्या है, एक दूसरी इस कॉस्ट के अंदर में हमको इफिशिएंसी हम कहाँ ला सकते हैं। और हाँ, जो भी वो बैठ के आपको सब आपके आदमियों के साथ बैठ के करना होगा कि इसमें हम इफिशिएंसी कहाँ ला सकते हैं, वेस्टेज कहाँ पे है, सजेशंस आपको सबसे लेना होगा कि इसमें हम कहाँ हम रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं इसको। उसके बाद जो कॉस्ट बैठता है उसके हिसाब से फिर वर्कआउट करते हैं अपना। वो सही है हमारा।
उसका 245 के ऊपर गए तो चलेगा क्या? When you said ना 245 होगा तो भी हम एक्सेप्ट करेंगे।
एक मिनट यार, सर अभी हम 1 मिनट प्लीज, जो हम बात कर रहे हैं हम इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर की बात कर रहे हैं। एक महीने में आपको 1 महीने में कितना फर्क पड़ जाएगा? आपकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग बहुत अलग है। आपने जो मेल में लिखा है 10%, आपको मालूम है एग्रीमेंट में क्या लिखा हुआ पूरा पढ़ा है आपने? उसमें आप ओवरहेड एक्सपेंसेस हमको नहीं लगा सकते। 10% टू कवर योर एक्सपेंसेस, आप 10% भी लगाएंगे, ओवरहेड भी लगाएंगे।